Hello and welcome to the IoT Vlogs YouTube channel. Have you ever found yourself juggling between applications, constantly clicking through layers of windows just to refer back to that one crucial piece of information? It's not just frustrating, it disrupts your workflow, decreases your productivity, and let's be honest, it tests your patience. Enter Deskpins, a nifty little utility that's as straightforward as it is powerful. This tool allows you to pin any application windows on top of all others with just one simple click. Imagine keeping your notes visible while drafting an email or having your reference material front and center during a creative brainstorm. The possibilities are endless, and the productivity boost, well, you are about to find out in this video. Stay with me as I'll unlock the full potential of this indispensable tool in front of you, and also ensure that the information you need is always right where you want it, front and center. Let's get started and transform your digital workspace with Deskpins. This is the actual website. I'm sure if you just Google Deskpins, you should be able to find this website. And you can see this was used in many older versions of Windows also. And I believe if you have newer Windows 11, they have some kind of built-in tools. But since I'm using Windows 10, this is my option, right? And this is also an open source application, so you can get for free. And to download, what I'll do is just click here and it should start downloading. This is a small utility software, more like a tool. It's like only 1 of 5 kilobytes. So I'll click on this folder icon. You can see this software is my downloads folder. I'll double click. I'll click on yes. And I'll click on next. And I'll click on install. And I'll click on close. So this has installed, but what I'll do is just click on Deskpins and right click. You can click on options, and yeah, it is working. It is working by default. Otherwise, you have to click on this up arrow, and then you have to drag and basically pin in this right part of this taskbar. So by default it is here, so that's good. So let's say now let me demonstrate the use case of this kind of tool. So let's say I am reading some kind of documents. Let's say what kind of document I want to read. Let's say Oxide. Let's say Oxide tape recorder. I don't use this, but anyway, so let's say I'm reviewing this document, and now I'd like to take some note. What will do if I type something? This is my notes, and then if I click here, and then if I like to visit some website, you can see that all the windows are basically taking up the entire space of the screens. Like whatever is selected, that is being showed. If the developers choose, they can actually create some of the applications to it will more like always on top feature, but by default it is not. What we can do with Deskpins, let's say we want to make sure that our notepad is visible. What I can do is click here and basically I have to drag this again. Okay, so now it is here, right? So what I'll do, and if you restart, it should be here, right? Once you restart, I believe they need to do some background like registry file creation or something, whatever. But what you will do is just click here, and what happened? Like you will click here and click this one. You can see a red pin is here, so which means that this window will always be on top from now on. So let's say I open my browser. You can see I can take some note, like let's say I copy something, then I paste, and then I'm jotting. So instead of like using this notepad, you can also do this on Excel file or Word file, whatever. And then I need to take some notes from here. Not here, like they have some kind of tools, I believe, like AI tools or something. Okay, copy. Oh, they paste something. No, I'm not interested in editing the PDF. Okay, so I'll just paste here. So I'll do this again. Right click, copy, right click, paste. You can see like you can definitely take some notes. You can play some videos in this kind of floating windows, or let's say you want this PDF to be shown when you are working on some kind of email or something. So what you can do is click here and click on this PDF. So right now the PDF file is also floating from now on. So these windows are floating, and now you can visit this website. You can click on about, click on home, you can do your work, and this kind of windows are not closing or getting away from your from the screen. So instead of minimizing or going to the background, they are just they're being displayed. So that's how you can take notes. That's how you can actually work on multiple stuffs. And also it's really important for if you are like more like a laptop user. For desktops, you might have, let's say, multiple windows, then that's fine. But if you're working on a laptop, this kind of utility tool is really helpful. You can work on like multiple let me say Deskpins. Yeah, you can work on multiple stuffs at once in a single screen without actually hiding any of the windows. And let's say you don't want, you are done with this notepad. What you can do is click here. See, the pin is gone. And now if you click something else like this window, and yeah, so the notepad is gone. Notepad is not getting pinned anymore. Only the PDF reader is being pinned. Okay. And also if I click here, then this one is also gone. If I click on this browser, see, by default, it is their default nature that this kind of programs will go behind the scene. And if I want to use Deskpins again, I will just open this window, click here, and then click up here. Now it is pinned. Now if I click on the browser, it is pinned without any issues. I can actually scroll through, read different kind of documents. I can mix and match, take notes, and it's a very, very useful app. Hopefully you like this video and you will install this on your computer and boost your productivity. Okay, so that's all for this video. Thanks for your time, attention, and patience. Thank you.